na naman. Iba na naman ang ating content. Kahit ano na lang ang ating content, guys. Hanggat dito pa tayo. Kasi pag mag for good tayo, saka na tayo mag-isip ng charity. Magcha-charity tayo. Pag pag wala na akong obligasyon sa mga anak ko. Yun na lang ang ano natin, magiging palipas oras natin, magcha-charity tayo. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa building namin, guys. After this ay mag-end na ako bago tayo pumasok. Yes. Show. So, ayan na nga, guys. At ayan ang aking alaga. So, ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. And thank you so much sa support, Sis Bibslin Baha, Sis Bibslin Vlog. Ito, Sis Bibslin Vlog. Ano mo pa rin to? Panibagong account na main account mo pa din. Sis Marian Official, thank you so much, sis. Sis Mekaniko TV Vlog, Amix Vlog, thank you. Ayan, mag-shoutout na ako, guys, para makain na ako. Sir Siguruta Capture, thank you so much. Sir Lisongson TV, thank you so much. Sis Arceli Vlog, thank you. Sis Lance, thank you so much. Ellen PH Vlog, thank you so much. 20CH, thank you so much. Sir Joseph Field, DFW, Texas, thank you so much. Hi! Where have you been? Hi to my live. Hello! Hello, Kitty. Oh, doon kayo sa kabila? Oo. Sa Dugpa kasi kami nagstay. Kanina pa kami doon. Hello.
Coffee and milk tea, oh.
Oh, you miss coffee and milk tea.
Really cute.
Yeah. So cute. Ayan, nagsa-shoutout na ako kasi mag-end na ako sa ano ko. Erjan Music Vlog, thank you so much. Tony Mix Vlog, sir, thank you so much. Farmer, thank you so much. Sis Tony Mix Vlog. APM Mechanic, thank you so much. Sis Nanaay, thank you so much. Sis Cecil Willy Vlogs, thank you so much. My Lily Didi Mukbang Channel, thank you so much. And Div Simple Craft, thank you so much. Cloud Kicker, thank you so much. Sino pa? Shulihatan, thank you so much. Sis Chilan Vlogs, thank you so much.
Hi, Melty.
Hi. Ellen PH Vlog, thank you. Ayan, and to all here, thank you so much for supporting my live, guys. AV Monster Gaming, thank you so much. Ayan, 66Q
Black also.
Toy Vlog, thank you so much.
They're the same color.
Yeah.
Okay. Come here now, we take Emma na. Bye.
Sir Sam, thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Bye, cutie girl. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you so much sa support. At kung hindi pa kayo, guys, nakasubscribe, please subscribe Lilian Herbar Channel. And paki-press the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload. Thank you so much and God bless. I love you all, guys. Ingat kayo palagi. At tayo mag-e-end na. So, ayan, no. Ang daming bike sa likod ko, guys, oh. Ayan, no. Daming bike. Diyan yung parkingan ng mga bike, guys. So, ayan. Thank you. Once again. Bye, everyone. Na-shoutout ko naman na ang lahat.